Okay students, let's start with the MCQs. Here all the word problems you have to solve and find out the answer. Here question number 9, it has told a flight from Dehradun stops at New Delhi and then continues to Jaipur. The flight time from Dehradun to New Delhi is about 3/5 hour and the flight time from New Delhi to Jaipur is about 4/5 hour. Find the total flight time, means total duration you have to find out from Dehradun to Jaipur of the flight. Here the options are in hour and minute. So in this format you have to find out the option. Now here in this way you will write down the statement. The flight time from Dehradun to New Delhi is 3/5 hour and the flight time from New Delhi to Jaipur is 4/5 hour. Then total flight time you will do addition. It has come 7/5 hour. Now this improper fraction convert into mixed numeral. It has come 1 of 2/5 hour. 1 of 2/5 hour means what? 1 is the whole number, it is 1 hour. Now this fraction form you convert into minute. 2/5 hour means what? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2/5 means 2/5 of 60. That means if you do cancellation, opposite sides, numerator with denominator opposite, then it has come what? 24 minutes. That means option number C is correct option. Clear? In this way question number 10 you will do. Here it has told Saira walked this kilometer on Saturday and this kilometer on Sunday. How much more did she walk on Sunday? That means she walked more on Sunday than Saturday. Yes or no? That means you have to do what? Subtraction. How much more did she walk? So from Sunday you do subtraction, that one Saturday's one, then you will get the correct option. Clear? Then 11 number it has told about 3/5 of the world population lives in Asia and the people of Europe make up about 3/25 of world population. What fraction of the world population live in either Asia or Europe together? That means total population of Asia and total population of Europe, both you will add, then you will find out the correct option. Clear? Next one, Sania is making a pudding for which she requires 3/4 cup of crushed nuts. If she has 2/5 cup of crushed nuts, how much more does she need? This type of one sum earlier also you have done. Here it has told already, that means she has 2/5 cup of crushed nuts, which is not sufficient to prepare the pudding. And for preparing pudding or making pudding, she requires 3/4 cup of crushed nuts. So how much more she will be required? Automatically minus. Clear or not? From total this one you will subtract this, then you will find out the correct option. Out of 4 options, which one is correct? Clear? Here now this one again I have solved. Janet went on a 2-week holiday. She spent 2/3 of her holiday money in the first week, 1/4 in the second week. What fraction of her holiday money did she bring back home? Here have you noticed? Total money it has not mentioned. Clear or not? So now one thing I must tell you, in fraction, if any complete or whole or total anything will not be mentioned, you will consider always it as 1. Clear? So here also you will consider that her total money is 1. So out of total money she has spent this in the first week and this in the second week. So first you find out total how much money she has spent. So she spent in 2 weeks this one. First I have written, let Janet had total money ₹1. Therefore she spent in 2 weeks total, you add it. Now you have to find out the required fraction of her holiday money that she brought back home. So from the total money you will subtract, then you will get the actual required fraction. That means actual money, how much money she brought back home. Understood? When you will consider as 1, always remember that one. If it will not, anything will not be mentioned in the fraction, any whole number or any complete thing, you will consider always it as 1. Now question number 14, the sum of two fraction is 6 of 1 by 6. If one of the fraction is 2 of 1/3, find the other fraction. This is the total fraction. Sum means what? Total. Sum of two fraction is this. So 1 is this. Find the other means how to do? Think it and do it. So these three maths also you think very easy one. It is there. Read the question. Same way you read the question, then find out the answer. All are almost same type. So everything I will not make you understand. You have to read the question. You have to find out what you have to do by yourself. Clear or not? So rest all you will solve. I have solved two. Others you will solve by reading the question. Clear or not? So in the next class I will show you the HOTS one. Two HOTS are there. Here I will show you, one I will make you understand. Got my point? 16 number I think you have understood, and 15 number also. Here two eclipses are there, 1991 and 1992. Duration of two solar eclipses are given here. Here question is how much longer does 1991's eclipse? That means it has mentioned over here that in 1991 eclipse duration was longer. So how much more longer, that one you have to find out. So automatically what you will do, when you have to find out how much more means how many more or less, you have to do subtraction. From the bigger one, smaller one you will do subtract. So from 1991 you will subtract 1992 duration, then you find out the option 1. Clear? Have you understood, students? Here though I have solved here duration of solar eclipse, this one 1991 and 1992 this one, then you do the subtraction, it has come 9 by 6, but in the option the answer, all the answers are given in mixed numeral, so you have to convert into mixed numeral. After converting, here it is 3 by 6, so it can be simplified again into lowest term, so it has come 1 by 2 minutes. That means option number B is correct. Clear? So in the next class I am showing you the HOTS one, and these all the MCQs you will complete in your copy. Clear? Thank you.